Hey everybody, it's Miss Yo-Yo. Girls, I got one question. Are you ready? Are you ready for February? Well, Miss Yo-Yo's got her first week all set up. She's going to do a look at after the pen on January and bring it on home to February, okay? So we can see what's new. Now, I'm going to give you a little tip and trick in there, okay? And also, don't forget, leave a comment below. Give us a thumbs up, ding, ding. And also, don't forget, hit that notification bell so I can act like the good sense my mama taught me, okay? And I'll see you at the end of the video to say my bye-byes. Enjoy. Knock, hey everybody, it's Miss Yo-Yo, and I'm back. You know why? Because it's February, and we got to get our planner set up, okay? And I'm here to do that. Well, let me just tell you, first of all, thank you so much for stopping by and checking out what I got going on. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. And if you're a regular or coming back on a semi-regular basis, make sure you hit that notification bell so when I go knock, you go, let her in, okay? Well, let's just get going. You know how I do it, okay? Well, first of all, we're looking at my mini dashboard layout for February. We're going to look after the pen the month before real quick, and then we're going to go right into February and let y'all see how I've set up the upcoming month, okay? Well, first of all, let me just tell you, well, upcoming week, I should say. I'm using my pen and gear cover from Walmart on my mini dashboard, okay? So let's just go. First of all, let me just tell you, first thing I did for February is I cleaned out the front of my my planner cover here. Okay, so I put some stickers in, I took some out, did that whole housekeeping thing, okay? So here we go. We're going to just jump to January. First of all, I want you to pay attention that it's not too busy, right? You know the thing about planning? Things change, okay? So, first of all, that was my month overview. This is my first week, okay, after the pen. Tell me if this is clear or close enough for you guys, because I had someone tell me last week that it didn't seem like it was close enough. So I just want to make sure it's close enough that you can read everything, okay? I'm not trying to hide nothing, okay? So this was my kind of semi-list of things to do and places to go, important reminders and stuff. And this is my list of things I need to pick up at the store. So that right there, we're into the second week. God, this month of January went fast, didn't it? Golly, that seemed like, that was like no time, and now we're already in February. So this is my little half sheet that I use every week. Put a half sheet in there. Even in my classic, I put a mini half sheet in there to have a running list of things I need to do and places to go and things I need to pick up at the store. Okay, so this was my third week. And the third week, I had a cold, so a sister was not fully there. I did fill it out, though. You tell me, are you keeping your planner up? Are you, did you, hey, and the other thing is, did anybody go get anything new from that Michael sale? Okay, if y'all picked up anything from that new from that Michael sale, let me know, because that 60% sale was not to be messed with, okay? So that right there was my third week. This was my fourth week, which is the last week of January. I got my little half sheet going here, and some of this stuff you'll see I forwarded to this coming week because I was sick with the stomach bug or something. Monday and Tuesday I was out of work, and I never miss a day out of work unless it's a vacation. So I was out Monday and Tuesday. This is my little running list. So this is all I filled out for it, and I'm staying on it, okay? I'm staying on the job. So yeah, girls got to do what a girl's got to do, okay? So before I get started, let me show you what I use. I use the Happy Planner Homebody. I use the Classic and the Mini, okay? I use the Happy Planner Planner Babe Mini. I love this book. I use the newest budget book, and I use the gold sticker book. So I'm trying to limit the number of books I use. So you tell me on the sticker books, can you do it in one sticker book? Because I'm going to tell you right now, sister cannot, okay? I tried. But this is February. Bam, month overview. So that's where we are so far. It's the month overview right there. This is what it looks like. I put down little decorative stickers here. I'm going to try to, me and my sister have been talking about this, but try to do a road trip like once a month. We live in Florida. We should be able to go somewhere within an hour or two and spend the day somewhere and come home. Or even if we just stay overnight, that would be nice too. So this is my overview of the month. This is my monthly bill thing where I know what days bills are due. It moves from month to month, so I know where to put my stickers down at. So that goes there. This is the overview of the whole month. I've got my stickers down for Instagram. I normally post on Sunday. There's a video coming on Monday. Okay, so my posting days, Monday videos goes up on Mondays and Fridays. Okay, so what I did was I put down the necessary stickers, Instagram, birthdays, bill due, and I kind of build from there. I got my planner meet up on the 15th of this month. Valentine's Day is on that Friday. I got to make sure I call all my babies daddies. That's a joke. I have no children, but all my male friends, I call them my baby's daddy. Even their wife says, your baby's mama's on the phone. So it's like a big joke, especially with my radio brothers. So this is the overview of the whole month right here of the bills and everything. So that right there, let's just go into the first week. Bam, that's how I do it. That's how Miss Yo-Yo do it, okay? So this is the first week, and I'm going to show you how I got here, and I'm going to tell you a couple of things. Might tell you some things that might be interesting for you. First of all, I have come to the conclusion I'm going to start doing my planning a lot easier on me, where this right here was a culmination of 2 days, okay? So here's how I started. My month overview, I put down a few stickers. I did this part right here. Then here's the thing. I normally put a sticker up here, right? To cover up this part right here for the to buy list, which I complain about every week being too long. So I decided to move that sticker down to cover it up in the middle. Then I put this rising sign black sticker on top of this gold and green sticker because I knew I needed something to make it pop off there. So I got that. Then I stuck up here my top priority sticker over that. I whited out what was under there, which was to buy. And I laid this top priority sticker over it, okay? I still left these little check things here. Now, I did have some more of these check boxes down on the bottom, so I wanted to cover them up. So I took a thin quote sticker and covered it up that way. Okay, so then this here would be errands. It would have written up here errands, and then it has some checkpoints too. So what I did was I whited all that out, and then I put this clear work like a boss sticker over it. And just keep growing. I laid that over that line there that divides the two. Actually, it says important under there, but I whited that out and then laid this sticker on top. That's a clear sticker. No, that's a white sticker, excuse me. Then my routines. I have my my habit trackers for making my bed, taking my medication, my savings challenge. I got my hydrate stickers. Child, let me tell you, if I would have drank more water last week, I probably wouldn't have felt so bad, but that just lingered on. So then I've got, always put a quote here on the bottom. I added a little bit of greenish to kind of fill it in because it was a lot of dead space, okay? So now we're going to the next page. I got my personal task card here. And let me just tell you right now, this little thing right here goes from week to week of things I have to get done. Okay, so this right here, and this is the thing my sister told me. She says she does a 10-minute task every night. The 10-minute task could be anything. She kind of gets herself ready for work. My 10-minute task is that I look at my plan. Well, first of all, I look at my planner every morning and every night. But that 10-minute task at night, I look at my planner at night. I fill in stuff that might have done on the way home or whatever, thing I remember that I need to put on my list to get done the next day or whatever. Do that, and then I prep my tote bag for the next day. So that's my 10-minute task. I actually can probably do a couple other things, but normally I use that 10 minutes to say, okay, here's my 10-minute task for the night to get ready for tomorrow. Okay, so this is a list of things and places and people I need to call and stuff and items I need to get. This list started like on the end of maybe Thursday or Friday, and they didn't get done because I didn't feel well Saturday morning, so I'm kind of made a list of things that this is going to now move to next week. Okay, so this is going to be this coming week of things I need to get done. Need to order a debit card, call pest control. These are just the things, get cash on the bank because I can't find my debit card or my black card, so I'm going to have to, these are the things I must get done this week, okay? So this right here is my little list of things to do. Now, here's the thing I want to tell you. And I know you might have seen this before, but just in case, if you have any of these half sheets, the Manby Classic or the Minis, check them because they're reversible. So I use one to kind of break out the categories, and I use the other side to make a list. So places to go, important reminders, and this side is the actual list. Like if I'm running a shopping list or things to do, this is the list. So these two right here, they're reversible. I use them in conjunction with each other, okay? So those right there go there. Now, let's get to how this all came together, okay? This right here, I will tell you, like I told you, I don't do it all at one time. It will save you so much time, pressure. You'll enjoy it a whole lot more, I think, okay? If you do it at your leisure, okay? Started this, then I woke up the next day, said, okay, went in. I wanted a quote. I knew this. I thought about this. I wanted a quote almost every day. Okay, so I put this quote up here first. Then I had a box here. I layered this box here. Don't be freaked out. Just because you're doing boxes, people always think they're losing space, but I don't think you do, okay? Because you still got space here to write on the top here. You still got space here. It's still pretty and it's functional. Sounds like a Facebook page, doesn't it? Pretty and functional. There is. So this right here is the layout I came up with, and then I decided I would fill it with a little bit of greenage here. Okay, then I still have space down here. I added this for a pop of color. A new day, a fresh start. I love that, like burgundy, so I popped that right there. It still gave me enough space for my dinner plans. I got Monday through Sunday still. Okay, then I just came over here. I had a box here. I added this little half one right here. I wanted something here. I went to go do this, and this was too big because the round part would have covered up Tuesday. So I used my trusty scissors. Okay, I love these scissors. I bought these at the Scrapbook Expo last year. And let me just tell you right now, two things. One is there's two pens I use. If I want to make my layout look like it's fuller and busier, I use the Flare pen because it's a thicker pen. And when you write with it, it's going to be, you know, a lot thicker. So it'll look like you've got a lot of things going on. It looks fuller, basically. Okay. And then if I need a pen that I can get a lot more written with, I use the Zebra 0.7 millimeter pen. Both these I bought at Walmart. Okay. And they were 2 to a pack. So those are the two pens that I use. Now here I'm using my box. These little arrows here, they come in clear and they come with a white background. They're both from the gold sticker book. Okay, so that, I love that. You'll see I've used it twice here. Just sometimes I just need a filler. Okay, not even necessary. You could have left it blank, but after I looked at it, you know, and the other thing is you can write over it if you have to. Okay, it's just a, you know, it's a white paper sticker, so you can write over it. And then I did same thing here. I layered. I still have a little bit of spot here. Look at that. You've got spot there. And then I put a quote here, this one and this one. Then I've got a quote here, added a little bit of greenish to fill in the top there. Okay, a little bit of greenish. Then I layered these two boxes. You still have a space here. Same thing. You got boxes here. You got this little quote here. You deserve a gold star. And this is my favorite quote right here. Be in love with your life. And this is the one thing I will tell you. I love my life. Okay. I love it. I love it. I love it. So every time I see that sticker, I just have to say it out loud. I love my life. So basically that's a little, you know, here you can write something there small if you want to. You can write there. Then I have this right here, my little chore stickers for Saturday. I've got another one of those little arrow stickers. Here's my girl right here. Y'all don't know about Miss Moss. She's on Etsy. Miss Moss is on Etsy. She's a sassy little thing, okay? She's always curving and got rollers in her hair. And I've got a sample of her from one of my planner meetup sisters gave it to me. So I have to pop her in there every once in a while. So, and then oh God, I need to clean my car so bad. I need to take it somewhere and let somebody else clean it. So that's my plan, is to try to get that done on Saturday. Slow Sunday, that is it. That is it. I feel so good about it. Let me just tell you. And the key to me was not trying to do it all at one time. Okay, so I'm just throwing that out there. If you want to try and just like not sit down and try to do it all at one time, you know what? Put down a few stickers, go have lunch, leave the house, come back that evening. You're sitting there watching TV, grab your planner, sit there, look at it, grab some sticker books, flip through it, and you'll find it's less pressure. And when you finish with it, you'll be so much satisfied than you've ever been before. If you just do it your way and you don't have to worry about, I gotta get these stickers down, because I have a tendency to forget about birthday. Oh, I forgot to put a sticker down for a bill this way. Me doing it leisurely like this, the last couple of weeks, it has made a world of difference than me trying to just throw it all down at one time. Okay, so that's my 2 cents for the day. And first of all, let me just ask you, are you looking at your planner every day? At least once a day. Okay, I look at it in the morning, but I look at it at night. Okay, but you need to look at it in order to stay on top of it. Even if you just want to say, oh, you know what, I forgot. I stopped by the grocery store. Oh, I forgot. I need to call somebody. You'll remember things and start putting them in your planner. Okay, so that's just Miss Yo-Yo's 2 cents for the day. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. Please leave any questions or comments below. And don't forget, hit that notification bell. You know what? I'll see y'all later. Okay, bye-bye. Hey everybody, it's Miss Yo-Yo. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you like what you saw, please consider checking out some of my other videos, and also hit that subscribe button so a sister drop a video, you'll get that next ding dang. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.